Today, T takes on a review of the Kant-Slam gate closer. Alright, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Kant-Slam gate closers. As you can see, I have two of them, one on top, one on bottom. The reason for this is that each one supports up to 150 pounds, and with the gate being made out of metal and with the wood planks, I wasn't sure how heavy it was going to be. I just wanted to make sure I over-engineered it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Pull off the cover. It's going to reveal the cylinder and two springs. If you want to make this closing speed faster, just rotate it to the left, slower to the right. Installation was fairly simple. I just welded the hinge here to the metal post. Inside here is a little bracket that holds the clevis pin. That's welded to the C channel right here. And then all you need to do is take the tie bar that's right here and you bolt that down. And then you have the cylinder assembly, and that's bolted right here, and you just put nuts on the bottom. Let's go and close this up again. And so if I come over here and open up the gate fully and extend it, it's going to go close. And then once it hits about the midway point, then that's when the hydraulics really kick in, and it's going to make it pull back even slower. So I have it set up so that it's just enough force for it to close really slow and latch on. Alright, that's it. So the one thing to keep in mind is that if I open up the gate just enough for me to squeeze through, the gate will slam. The reason for that is that if you only open it just a little bit, it's not going to activate the cylinder, so it's just the springs that will force the gate back closed quickly. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.